Wow.
It went straight through it?
Straight through that bitch. Didn't even move it,
God
bro.
damn.
That's crazy. It moved it a little bit. It turned it a little bit. But
That's the entry.
I got you right here. Exit.
Oh my God.
Entry. Exit.
I would not want to get hit by one of those.
And that's crazy because I could still probably bite this apple.
We're gonna do this one more time, man.
That's insane.
That's crazy. I want to see what the 9mm do.
Let's do it.
Because
Oh,
it blew up, 9mm blew up a fucking chunks out of a watermelon.
let me go get
That, come on now.
Damn.
Damn. Bust the bit. Ain't no more apple.